Namaste viewers and welcome back to my channel Soulful Indulgence. Are you craving some spicy and tangy snack on a rainy evening? This bhel will satisfy all those cravings, and what's more, it can be made within just a few minutes. To make this chaat, take 2 big cups of muri in a big bowl. Then add boiled sweet corn kernels to it. Half cup of finely chopped onions. Then add mixture to it. This is a locally bought mixture from a sweet shop. They have lots of varieties of it there. You can also buy a packet of Haldiram's mixture instead. Then add some freshly chopped coriander leaves, chopped green chilies. This you can add as per your tolerance. I prefer less spicy food, so I'm adding very little here. Add salt to taste, then 1 teaspoon of mustard oil. It is a flavored oil and this is what gives a unique taste to this bhel. If you haven't ever tasted this oil, then try to add a little in the beginning. And if you like the taste, then you can add some more. Mix them all well. Sprinkle some chaat masala over it and add some lemon juice. Mix it all well and our sweet corn bhel is ready to serve. This chatpata sweet corn bhel is light on tummy and healthy too. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.